Number 1. What do you do for a living? ඔයා ජීවත් වෙන්න කරන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you do for a living? Number 2. What do you want to eat for dinner? ඔයාට රැට කන්න මොනවාද ඕනේ? What do you want to eat for dinner? Number 3. What do you think of this outfit? මේ ඇඳුම ගැන ඔයා හිතන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you think of this outfit? Number 4. What do you think about social media? සමාජ මාධ්‍ය ගැන ඔයා හිතන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you think about social media? Number 5. What do you think about the political situation? දේශපාලන තත්ත්වය ගැන ඔයා මොකද හිතන්නේ? What do you think about the political situation? Number 6. What do you do in your spare time? විවේක කාලයේදී ඔයා කරන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you do in your spare time? Number 7. What do you think about me? ඔයා මම ගැන හිතන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you think about me? Number 8. What do you think about working from home? ගෙදර ඉඳන් වැඩ කරන එක ගැන ඔයා හිතන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you think about working from home? Number 9. What do you like to watch on TV? ඔයා TV එකේ බලන්න කැමති මොනවද? What do you like to watch on TV? Number 10. What do you like to do with your friends? ඔයා ඔයාගේ යාළුවෝ එක්ක කරන්න කැමති මොනවද? What do you like to do with your friends? Number 11. What do you want for your birthday? ඔයාගේ උපන්දිනයට ඔයාට ඕනේ මොකක්ද? What do you want for your birthday? Number 12. What do you like to do when you are happy? ඔයා සතුටින් ඉන්නකොට කරන්න කැමති මොනවද? What do you like to do when you are happy? Number 13. What do you mean? ඔයා අදහස් කරන්නේ මොකක්ද? What do you mean? Number 14. What do you think about this weather? ඔයා මේ කාලගුණය ගැන මොකද හිතන්නේ? What do you think about this weather? Number 15. What do you like to read? ඔයා කියවන්න කැමති මොකක්ද? What do you like to read?